Hi YouTube. Okay, today I'll be showing you things I do with my hair, like if I'm on the go, getting ready for school, and like I only have like about 5 minutes left and everything. These are some hairstyles that I'll just bam, done, do it in less than like 2-3 minutes. And I still have a few extra minutes to do whatever I want, like watch TV or be able to walk to the bus stop instead of run. Yeah. But yeah. Okay, first, let's start out with a simple ponytail. Okay, what I do for a ponytail, just have it high up, low, it can be anything. But I like to have it high up, and I like to have all my hair pulled back. So all you're going to need for this is a scrunchie, or just a hair tie. Yeah, whatever. But yeah, okay? And if you want your bangs out of your face doing this, just have 2 bobby pins. That's all you're going to need for this. Yeah. So first, let's start off. Okay. Pull all your hair back. Oh, and if you want to hold back your bangs, but not use a bobby pin or anything like that, just use a little headband or anything. Take all your hair back. Here, I'll turn it around so you can see what I'm doing. Just get all the hair up and just smooth it all out, because I like it smooth. Because I don't want it, and I just can't stand it if it's like just bunched all up everywhere. But yeah, take that, take it, wrap it around a few times until you get it as tight as you want it. And just, that's all. And then you can take a quick bobby pin for little bangs and just insert it up there. And if that's not enough, just grab another one, put it very much close, and just ta-da! Just quick hairstyle that only took about a minute, 2 minutes max. So the next hairstyle after that, that's gonna be, I like to just do a quick, simple side braid. Sometimes for people that like, there's little parts that fall out. If you have like just layered hair, some hair falls out, but I still like it. It just looks cute either way, if you have flyaways or not, doesn't matter. Okay, so pull all your hair over to one side. Make sure you have all of it. Okay, and then just take it and split it into 3 sections and just start doing a regular braid. So whenever you get done with that, I like to braid it straight down, and depending on how tight you braid it, depends on the way it comes out. And see, like, that's what I mean by like the flyaways, or if you have in the back where it like comes off, that's fine. Doesn't really matter. Everyone's hair eventually does that, no matter how good you braid it. I just get it out the bottom. See, it looks very cute. And if you don't really want the bangs, there's a cute way. Just take them over to the side and turn them like that. Turn them like that. Or you can take them, and it's called like twist, and you just take some hair, twist it back, grab some more, twist it back, grab some more. Just keep twisting it back until you have all the hair of your bangs out. Just pin it back. For me, usually only one pin, like just one bobby pin, works fine, but that's depending on how thick your bangs are. Mine are pretty thin, so I don't really have to worry about that. But yeah, see, that's the finished product. Got the little bitty flow. Alright, yeah, there. Hope you guys like them. And then I'm going to be doing 5 and all, so after that, oh, my hair's a little damp, so it just kind of went with the curl that I just did, or the braid that I just did. So yeah. And after this, I'll be just doing like a quick messy bun. So take all your hair to the side or to the back. I like it to the side better. And high up. So make sure you get all your hair in the back. just pin it up. And I really hope you guys all comment or subscribe. But yeah, just start taking it into a ponytail right now. But I hope you guys all comment and subscribe if this helped you at all. Okay, for a messy bun, I just take it and I just start separating it, and I just kind of shake my hand around in there. Very cute, playful and all that. But yeah, if you don't want all these like little strands right here, you can just pick them up and take a bobby pin. Doesn't matter like what size or anything, just take a bobby pin and just take it in the back. See? This helps if you're like on the go. I think it looks really cute. If you can do the same thing with your bangs again if you want. But yeah, okay. And then just okay, so the next few I'll be showing, this is to help you just get your bangs out of your face if they really irritate you and they're just a mess. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna just leave my hair like that because that's how I was planning to do it for the whole day, so yeah. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you three or four. So first one is you can just take this, push them up, and do a little poof. I don't like to make it drastic or way too dramatic or drastic. I just like to do like a bit. Just looks fine if you just pin it back like that, or if you take it and do how I said earlier and twist them, and just you can just twist them like one whole thing at once, or you can take it piece by piece. Like the one, if you take it piece by piece, it takes like 3 seconds longer, but they both look really cute. Okay. Ooh. But yeah. So, and then you can also just take it and pin it to the side. Just like, it has like a bit of a wave to it. You can just take that and pin it to the side. Like this. Pin that straight to the side. Or you can, I like this one is one of my favorites. Or you can do yeah, this one's just one of my favorites. And all you have to do is just braid it. Don't try to make it look like a French braid at all. Just take it and just start braiding it back. If you drop a little piece, just pick it up in one of them while you're braiding. It kind of looks like a French braid right there, but it's really not. If you drop it, just pick it back up. It's okay. Just if it unravels though, you're just gonna have to start over again. But that's not a big deal. Just braid it until you can't get any lower on it. And just go to the side. Get your bobby pin, pop it open, and push it back. And just get it right. I think it looks really cute. If you don't want the bobby pin, you can take a headband and hold it down if you don't want to use a bobby pin. But I think this looks really cute if you're like on the go, don't have much time. And if you have any like little strands like here like this, I think it looks cute like that. But if you don't like it, just grab one more bobby pin. If you want to hide that, just put it back. I just put it right behind the bun. I just held it right there. See? It's very cute, very quick on the go and all that. So if you like, please subscribe and comment if this helped you at all. Thanks! Please watch my other videos.